A market that often feels unpredictable, almost chaotic, having access to solid data-driven tools isn't a luxury anymore. It's necessary if you want to make informed decisions instead of reacting emotionally. Today I'm going to break down what exactly ATM.DAY offers, how their algorithm works, and why this lifetime option is very worth understanding. I'll walk you through each of the 6 algorithms directly from their Gitbook, explain the logic behind them, and show you how they can help you interpret the market more objectively. But first, a quick reminder: nothing here is financial advice. I'm simply sharing the tools I use, what I've learned from them, and how I approach on-chain research. Always do your own research to make good decisions on the market. Why these tools matter? A lot of retail traders lose money because they trade sentiment, not data. They enter late and they end up holding tokens they didn't properly evaluate. ATM approach is different. It focuses on measurable information, machine learning signals, smart wallet behavior, liquidity movement, contract analysis, etc. It gives you structured insight instead of noise. Let's go through the 6 algorithms included in a lifetime package, one by one. Here we are on a gitbook.atm.day, and as you can see, there's a first algorithm, the OG Algo, essentially the foundational radium momentum scanner. Its purpose is simple: identify tokens that are quietly gaining traction before the broader market notices. As you can see here, we see core characteristic, focus mid-cap tokens, discovery timing, after first strong on-chain traction before mass awareness, key signal, professional traders activity, entry from historically profitable wallets, use case best fit for consistency, and here we see signal overview, available in the Telegram bot and on the ATM website. I really recommend you this. Here we see very clear information how to read the ATM.DAY bot from Telegram. Here we have general token info, as you can see, main information about the token, market cap, discovery price, professional traders activity, number of profitable traders, both sold volume, very good information right here, audit, and here we can check if the DEX screener is paid or not. Be sure tokens are not mintable and not freezable. That's also very important indicator. Trading bots. Here you can execute transactions in one click on your favorite trading bot. User strategies. It's actually very important because here you can see the other points of view from the pro users. Always do your research, it's good to learn from the best. And here we have explanation of every information that we're getting from this. So, trading tokens signal time. It's showing you how it looks like, so you will not be confused with anything. As you can see, everything is very clear explained. Why it's important: helps refine entry and exit strategies. And as you can see, there's explanation of everything what is the most important to use ATM and have the higher chance to make a good decision on the market. Here we can see the statistics from April 2025. Token analyzed over 2000, win rate 77%, average ROI to ATH is 190%, average market cap at ATH is $770,000. Top performer, as you can see, this is a dollar troll with 490 times from discovery. Best use case, and it's also very important because here you can analyze for what situation this algorithm gonna be the most useful for you. OG Algo is best suited for traders who want to catch tokens in their early grown phase but after the first on-chain confirmation, have a medium risk tolerance, consistency over high rewards, prefer doing quick research post signals, social scan, charts, holders, use a defined entry/exit framework. What I appreciate is that it's not trying to predict hype. It's tracking behavior that actually appears on chain. Let's go back to this side, and here we have a pump fund Algo. Pump fund is actually extremely active right now. Thousands of tokens appear every single day, and most of them aren't worth more than 5 minutes of your attention. This algorithm helps separate short-lived noise from genuine organic traction. It detects early growth patterns that indicate the real traders and real demand, rather than bot-driven activity or artificial volume. If you explore Memecoins, this tool significantly reduces the amount of time wasted on projects that have no real foundation. Fun Algo is high risk, high reward algorithm designed specifically to track early signals from tokens launched on Pump Fund before they graduate to Pump Swap. It's constantly catching 50 plus tokens every single day. Right now the graduation rate is around 55%. That's 55 times higher than just blindly trading on pump fund. The core of characteristics are the signal frequency. Signal frequency is from 100 to 120 a day. You have also a trigger based on smart wallet inflow, early holder quality, volume spikes, depth flags, average market cap from 20,000 to 60,000 at discovery. It's focused mainly on hyper early entry, high risk, high rewards setups. Historical performance, ROI to ATH is 171%. Graduation rate average, of course, is 55%. Average discovered market cap is $29,000. And top performer house 4,248 from discovery. Best use case, pump fund algo is best suited for traders who want to enter extremely early, within minutes of launch, have high risk tolerance and are okay with volatility and rugs, prefer doing instant deal, chart, holder scan, volume, are experienced with pump.fund dynamics, understand that 60% plus of calls will fail, but the new that hit may do 50 times. The next one is Launch Lab algorithm, actually Bonk Fund and Launch Lab algorithm. It's similar to Pump Fund, designed for people who want to make early entries, but also care about security and developer behavior. It monitors brand new deployments and evaluates them using several criteria: smart contract structure, liquidity behavior and requirements, deployer wallet history, development patterns, early holder distribution. It's not about guessing which new tokens might take off, it's about filtering unsafe and suspicious deployments so you can focus on the ones that actually meet a minimum standard of credibility. Let's now speed up and jump to the most important information. As you can see here, there is a 45% of graduation rate and 50 every day. Signal frequency is of course how many signals, messages you will get from this bot every day. So it's very good that we see here a very high number, because we will be always on time with every information, and based on this information we will be able to make much better choices on the market. Target tokens, all tokens from Launch Lab, including Bonk Fund before they graduate. Trigger is based on smart wallet inflow, early holder quality, volume spikes, depth flags. Average market cap from $15,000 to $40,000. It focuses hyper early entry, high risk, high reward setups. Top tokens discovered, and as you can see there is very huge numbers. Best use case, I will not repeat that, because as you can see they are mentioning that the Launch Lab and Bonk Fund algo same as Pump Fund algo. Next one we have OG Algo 2.0. Faster, more responsive, but higher risk. It's essentially an experimental, faster version of the original OG Algo. It identifies trends much sooner and it's designed for people who want to move more quickly. But because it triggers faster, it requires more precise risk management. Remember about that. And if you're a type of trader who monitors the market through the day and want to have very early calls rather than confirmation signals, this is the one that will interest you the most. So core characteristic is the same as OG algorithm, but what's new is number of tokens, around 100 tokens a day, no more 20-minute timer, win rate 50%, lose tokens hit to without dipping below -50% first. Catches runners earlier and more often than the current OG algo. Best use case, OG Algo Beta is best suited for traders who want to catch tokens right as smart wallets start buying, prefer faster event-based signals over mixed time intervals, have higher risk tolerance and want early entry potential, are comfortable reacting quickly with a predefined plan. And another one, the fifth one, algorithm from ATM.DAY is the Stream Scalp. This is built specifically for the active traders. It's not designed for holding position, it's designed for short targeted trades based on real-time smart money flows. It tracks movement as it happens, showing you when a significant wallets begin entering positions. Often you see the signals before the chart visibly reacts, which gives you a clearer understanding of where capital is moving at the moment. Think of it as a live flow monitor that helps guide precise entry and exits. When we will click on that, scalp 30% plus once a pump fund stream starts. Algo tracks over 7,000 stream tokens, applies 20 filters, selects those most volatile during streams and alerts when the token is live. Signal rate is 30 tokens per day. after filtering, historical performance, tokens that hit plus 10% after stream start 93%, signals per day 30, median write to ATH which in 1 hour is 37% plus. Best use case, stream algo works best when you want to catch momentum right when stream starts, trade high volatility tokens, want to confirm signal via wallet plus volume data, accept that not every call will succeed, but the ones that do can be very profitable. And finally, the 4-meme algo, operating on a BNB chain. This one is surprisingly overlooked, considering the performance data. 44% plus average grad rate, 187% average ROI, and 33,000 average market cap. While most traders are focused almost exclusively on Solana, this algorithm highlights the opportunities on BNB that tend to receive far less attention and less competition. Together, these 6 algorithms cover a broad spectrum of strategies: early detection, safety screening, momentum tracking, real-time data, and cross-chain opportunities. What the lifetime package actually comes with: all 6 algorithms, the volume checker to verify whether volume is real or artificially inflated, on-chain analytics for deeper analysis, all future updates and improvements, and a one-on-one session with the ATM. The personal session is especially valuable. A professional reviews if you're using every tool correctly, how you use the tools, points out mistakes, and helps refine your approach based on your goals. In practice, that alone can be worth a price. The regular price is almost $700, but the current offer brings it down to $990 permanently and without monthly fees. If you decide to get it, use the payment link in the description, enter the code REJTAN at checkout. That's what activates the reduced price. There are 4 spots available at the moment, and once they're taken, the offer closes. If you're someone who makes decisions on the market based on data rather than on social media noises, these tools will give you the structured, methodical approach to navigating the market. But if you don't want to pay for the lifetime subscription, no problem. I will leave also the link below the first one. A second link will send you to the monthly subscription, and that's also okay because you will get 7 days for free. So you will be able to check all the algorithms that are on the Telegram, everything how it works. I explained it in today's video, so I think everything is clear. If something is not clear, just leave a comment. For example, you see right here it's 767 dunk, so you can just click it and it will copy to clipboard automatically, so you can easily find the token and be on time with everything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya!